Did you feel the ground shake recently? That wasn't your imagination playing tricks on you. It was Mother Earth reminding us of her presence in the form of an earthquake. Yes, you heard that right, an earthquake, right here on the East Coast. On the first day of May 2024, a magnitude 2.6 earthquake struck near Gladstone, New Jersey. This wasn't an isolated incident, it followed a previous, more powerful, magnitude 4.8 earthquake that occurred just weeks earlier. This quake was no small event, with more than 550 people reporting that they felt the tremors. Situated about 5 kilometers underground, it was a jolt that many won't soon forget. Now, you might be thinking, earthquakes on the East Coast? Is that common? Well, not as common as in the western US, but they do occur. And when they do, they tend to leave an impact over a wider area. This is due to the region's older rock formations, which transmit seismic waves over longer distances. But let's rewind a bit back to the beginning. Before the magnitude 2.6 event in Gladstone, there was a magnitude 2.9 quake in the same area. And even before that, a smaller 1.9 magnitude quake occurred in Califon, New Jersey. It seems these were all connected, a series of tectonic movements that culminated in the more significant quakes. The seismic activity didn't stop there. After the 4.8 quake, at least 18 aftershocks followed. The most notable was a 3.8 magnitude aftershock that also hit Gladstone. Now, some might try to find meaning in these natural phenomena. Take Republican Representative Marjorie Taylor Greene, who attributed the recent 4.8 magnitude earthquake in New York City to a divine message for Americans to repent. But while her interpretation is steeped in religious belief, not everyone agrees. Scientists, for example, attribute the cause of these quakes to natural factors. One theory is that the recent East Coast earthquake originated from ancient fault lines in the Appalachian Fold and Thrust Belt, formed during the collision of continents hundreds of millions of years ago. These dormant faults may have reactivated due to the Earth's crust rebounding from the weight of Ice Age glaciers. In the wake of these events, there's a renewed focus on earthquake preparedness. Governor Kathy Hochul urged precautionary measures and advised residents to check for any potential damage. Yet, the Northeast remains vulnerable due to a lack of earthquake-resistant building codes. So what's the takeaway from all this? Earthquakes, even in places we least expect them, are a part of our world. They're a reminder of the dynamic planet we call home, and the need for us to stay prepared and informed. Whether it's a slight tremor or a more significant shake, the ground beneath us is always moving, and as we move forward, we can only hope to better understand these seismic events and adapt our lives to coexist with them.